Hello everyone, it's Emiko. Welcome to another vlog. And in this week, I wanna focus on. Oh, I think she wants to poop now. She's gonna say, "Ooh, ooh." See? Did you hear it? Okay. Well, in this week, I want to build a new routine, kind of. I don't work anymore. I'm a housewife. I mean, I will, I will work. I will find a job soon. Not soon. After I get driver license, I will find a job, I guess. I mean, I don't have to wait, but my husband say. Luckily, my husband say there's no rush. So, well, that's not the point. So I'm a housewife, but I'm really lazy person. But since I don't do anything, so I wanna build a new routine to keep this house clean, or like even for like another thing I want to do. So first, I wanna make a like time schedule kind of. Even though we have a dog, we don't really feel that we need vacuum every single day. But I don't wanna do vacuum whole house just one day. So I kind of separate the like vacuuming section. Do you get what I mean? So I want to vacuum second floor and first floor like separate day. But still I think every other day is more than enough. So I'm gonna add clean bathroom day. And also I'm gonna add mopping day, which is gonna be just first floor only. We only have a carpet floor on the second floor, so mopping gonna be only first floor. But yeah, so the schedule or like a routine schedule, well, it's the same thing. That I want to follow, I'm gonna put that screenshot, I guess. So I want to wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I'm really not morning person, but I want to be a morning person. So I want to try to wake up at 7 a.m. The point is, I don't push myself too much. So 7 a.m. I wake up, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. I wake up and I can eat breakfast. And then 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I want to take like on a walk, which I can't say loud. Maybe she's gonna hear me. So 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. it's gonna be like a housework time. So that's the one I was talking about. Vacuum or like clean. But on Sunday I don't wanna do it, so I put gym time, which I have no idea if we can do it. But we signed up for 5K marathon, so we should do some practice. I mean, I think last Saturday we tried 5K run just around the neighbor, and then my husband managed it. He nailed to run the entire 5K, or I would say 3 mile, and then I almost made it. I stopped like last 0.3 mile, I guess, or something. Like I just couldn't make it, but we're pretty sure we can complete the marathon, 5K marathon. So, but still, I wanna go to the gym. And the Saturday afternoon, we usually go to Suegro house, which is my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, my husband's family. We usually visiting Saturday. Okay, so we only cook 3 times a week. So I don't know how can we put? But I just put the cooking hour, which is 2 hour. I like cooking, but I'm not a fast cooker. So I put 2 hours cooking and dinner. That's like a thing. That's the thing we usually do. Oh, Saturday we don't have cooking. Almost 100% sure. Sometimes we eat out, but just putting the schedule so then I don't mess up. I don't know. Okay, how about cooking slash gym? Because the day we cook, we don't go to the gym. But if we don't cook, we can go to the gym. But it doesn't mean we go. We try. What else, right? I want to study. It could be Spanish or it could be the citizenship exam. I haven't really searched it yet, but in the future I have to take some exam to be a citizenship. Citizenship? I want to be citizenship. So in the future, I have to take some exam to get to be citizen. So I want to put some studying time, but maybe it could be only weekdays. But how about? But also I want to do some like contents thing, like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, something like that. Okay, how about 1 hour of the content creator thing? If I film like sewing, my repair clothes YouTube, if I film that one, it's gonna take 2 hours. So I don't know. What should we do? But let's put. I don't want to study, not really, right? So then I wanna put more like morning. I wanna do the task that I don't want to first, and then I have more free time, I guess. So studying, lunch. I have to put lunch first. Okay, how about this morning 2 hours? Ooh, study. By the way, it's already 1:30 p.m. today, so I'll start tomorrow. So I'll start tomorrow. You can really trust. I'll start it tomorrow. Then, but how about it? Sounds good. And after lunch, I can do the create stuff. How can I say creator stuff? Yeah, creator stuff. Creator thing. Oh, 2 hours? Okay. Creators thing. And I can spend time with my husband. Free time. Okay. How is this sound? So today, right now, is creator thing time. I'm gonna edit something and post some on my Instagram. I tried to make this schedule more like pop, like put some stickers, like emojis, but I'm really bad at it. I'm super bad at it. Oh, there's no shower or anything, so it's gonna be this free time. I can shower. Whatever. So that's how I wanna do. That's the routine or like habit. Do you say habit or routine? It's more like routine, right? But routine I want to build, and I will focus on this routine this week. Let me try. Good morning. I woke up at 9 and I did something like I make a breakfast and then put the dish in. I did something and it's already almost 10. So I'm behind the schedule of the new routine. So let me eat the breakfast quick and then take a Neki on a sample. And also I vacuum the first floor. First floor. Yes, yes. So let me drink my protein shake as a breakfast, okay? I came back from the work and I'm gonna vacuum. It's almost 11. So let's do it. So I vacuum the first floor. So now it's 11:30, but I'm gonna study until 12. Catch up. I count this one as catch up. Maybe. All right. Oh, I let the bug in. Stop. I can't study. Well, I'll study. It's not gonna be excuse. Oh my god, the pollen got everywhere. All right. Let me study and kill the bug, okay? I didn't get it. You catch it. I have no time for that. Well, my lunch today, avocado toast, mango with tahin, and yogurt. I think it's a little too much, but it's okay. So it's 12:45, and then I'm gonna start editing my YouTube and TikTok and something like that. I catch up. I consider it catch up, and then I would do better tomorrow. Not promise, but I'll try to do better tomorrow. Good morning. It's 7:49. I have to prove you. It's 7:50. You just got 7:50, right? Yes. I woke up 7:30 actually, and then I did my face like I wash my face, you know, do something, and then I'm gonna eat now. And then I don't think I'm gonna take Nike on a sample because it's raining, but it's good start today, huh? It was raining, so I decided to brush Nike. brushing Nike's hair it's not gonna end. Never. So I just stop it. It's a 9. So I have to start cleaning the bathroom. This is how much hair she shed. Alright. Let's clean the bathroom. I finished cleaning bathroom, so I'm gonna, and then it's 9:30, so I have 30 minutes left until my studying time. So I'm gonna put some makeup because this afternoon I wanna film, and then I'm not gonna chat. I don't have anything to chat, so I will just watch YouTube and then do makeup. Okay, so I'll be back for studying time. I put makeup. Can you tell the eyeliner is kind of red? Even I can't, so how come you can? So it's 10:17 and 17 minutes over. I put makeup, I focus too much or what? So now studying time. So where's my other phone? Well, I mean, you don't need to see me studying, right? I already show you. I study. You have to trust me, you know? Or should I prove you? I'll study by myself. You can do whatever you want right now. So I'll be back. So it's 10:40 and I'm gonna start studying. So it is 11:48. It's a little early, but I wanna bake, so I'm stop studying now and then eat first and bake. I baked snickerdoodle and it was the best. I mean, I don't really have tried so many snickerdoodles, but it was really good. Wow.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the street. And never leave a sale behind with the world's best converting checkout.
I'm trying to composting and I use some shredded paper. I'm still like trying like how it goes, you know. And I saw some worms, so I think it's going well, but I will see.
It's great. The planes are not full back. Beautiful. Did you go on the ride yesterday? I just thought it was going to be nastier than that. I knew it was going to be like that.
I would have gone too, but it was like
Look, I mean,